The specific heat capacity of water is 4,186 joules per kilogram Celsius. Convert this to BTU per pound Fahrenheit. First, let's work on our conversion factor of Fahrenheit to Celsius. We can represent a change in temperature in Fahrenheit like this. We can simplify this by saying that a change in temperature in Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 temperature in Celsius minus our 9/5 temperature in Celsius. This is because we can distribute the negative sign and cancel out the 32's. Now we can pull out the 9/5 and just have temperature in Celsius minus temperature in Celsius. Well, this is just equal to a change in temperature in Celsius. Now that we can say that a change in temperature in Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 times a change in temperature in Celsius. This shows us that a 1 degree change in Celsius is equal to a 9/5 degree change in Fahrenheit. And 9/5 is equal to 1.8. Now we can do our conversion. The specific heat capacity of water is 4,186 joules per kilogram Celsius. First, we will convert the joules to BTU by multiplying by our conversion of 1 BTU is equal to 1,055 joules. Next, we will convert the kilograms to pounds by multiplying by 0.4536 kilograms per 1 pound. And now we can convert Celsius to Fahrenheit by using 1 degree Celsius is equal to 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Our final answer is that the specific heat capacity of water is approximately 1 BTU per pound degree Fahrenheit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.